EWHA HCAP discussing the Korean example of starting small, thinking big. I'll be presenting the first story of this session, and I'll toss the mic to Haya, which is next to me. Before starting the presentation, I have a question for you guys. I'll present 3 facts of one country, and what you have to do is to guess the name of the country. First, 50 years ago, this country was among the poorest nations in the world.
Okay, then let's change the topic. Women's social advancement was one of the key points of South Korea's rapid development and overcoming the economic crisis. Along with South Korea's rapid development, the number of resulting in women's social activities being limited. However, in 1886, the first modern educational institute for women was established. Starting from the one girl, EWHA breaks many taboos and challenges continuously. Each one of EWHA's footsteps has been a currently EWHA delegates are working hard to prepare a conference with the theme Starting Small, Thinking Big. Thank you.
Wow! Wow!
오케이.
Let's go.
진짜 영혼 없어. 진짜. 우리도 영상 찍고 있어.
그니까.
is at first impossible.
뭐라고? 좋은 말이었어?
Every
저 아까 나왔어요.
왜 뭔데?
even if you're on the right track, you'll get run over if you
나는
just sit
쌤이
there.
났어. 근데 이거 완전 제일 나쁜 낙담 아니야 이거 솔직히.
Like, we initially needed to understand what information was spreading on social media. It's really hard to
옆에 아저씨 이상하게 보잖아.
저희 지금 보스턴 쪽으로 가는 중입니다.
내 퀸이라면 그런 거 신경 쓰지 않아. 또 뭐야? 퀸은 그런 거 신경 쓰지 않는 게.
Wow! Wow!
Cream cheese, cream cheese, cream cheese, cream cheese, cream cheese, cream cheese.
Wow. Okay. Do you know Nicki Minaj?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like her.
Do you think it's a compliment or offensive? Okay, choose one.
You wanna E.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll take a selfie like during the video.
Okay.
Do you have any recommended Korean anime series? Like on webtoon? Like I watched.
Hi, Sojin and Kyungmin. Hi.
We're in Newbury right now.
Oh, Newbury Sea.
And here's Gabby and Brianna.
Hi.
장수 껍데기 같아요.
반대도 접어. 이거 그렇지. 천재야.
너무 귀엽다.
우리 아이 천재. 영재 발굴전.
여기 봐주세요. 안녕. 하이.
Camera go.